Hello everyone, this is Mayuresh Satao, and in this session we are going to check out how to sign into Instagram using Selenium and Python. So we'll be using our username and password to log in, and let me introduce you Selenium. Selenium is an open source project where you can use the Selenium WebDriver to automate browser stuff, like writing scripts, and you can also use it for testing as well. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. First thing first, from Selenium import WebDriver. Now WebDriver will allow us to interact with Firefox or any other browser. So let's initiate that. So driver is equals to webdriver.firefox. I'm using Firefox. You can also check out Chrome as well. Now there is one thing. If you want to open a website like Instagram.com, how will you do that using Selenium? There is a simple function .get. So to use that, we'll use driver.get, and it takes a parameter that is the URL. So I will be entering https://www.instagram.com. Great, and if we hit the run button, it will work fine. The browser is up, instagram.com, and here we go. We got the Instagram page. When we open the Instagram page, did you notice one thing that there was a loading symbol? That is because the page is loaded, but the content inside that page is yet to render. Okay, so resuming back to this form, here you will see two input forms, that is username and password. Now, how to grab this? If you know HTML and CSS, you might be familiar with this keyword attributes. So basically in HTML we have this attributes, and we can use them to grab this elements. To do that, we'll be using the name attribute. If you see here, name for the username is username, obviously, and for password, name is equals to password. So we'll be using that to basically grab this element and to fill the data inside that. Okay, so let's add the delay. From time, import sleep. Sleep will pause our script for a specific time. Let's sleep for 5 seconds. Now it's time to grab the username and password. So uname_field is equals to driver.find element. We'll be using this function to grab the element, and we'll be using the name attribute. So by.name, and we have to import it. So just alt enter at by and add a comma and pass the value of the attribute, that is username. Similarly, we'll do for password field is equals to driver.find element. Again, we'll be using the name attribute, so by.name comma password, the value of that attribute. In Selenium, send keys is a function that allows us to add the data in that field or element. So uname field dot send keys, and inside double quotes I will add my username. Similarly, in password field I will use the send keys function and add my password. So this values will automatically get filled in that form. I will show you in a moment. Now at the end we want to hit enter once we are done with the username and password values. So password field dot send keys, and here we have to use the keys class, which is imported from selenium.webdriver, and here we will get all the keys like enter, space, shift, whatnot. So we will be using the enter keyword. So enter, and let's run the script. The browser is up, instagram.com. The page is loaded. Wait for 5 seconds. My details are getting filled, and yes, I'm logged in. It is asking me to save my information. Let's save it. I don't want any notifications, so not now. And yes, I have successfully logged into Instagram. So that was a simple session about how to log into Instagram using Selenium WebDriver. Thanks for watching.